Run come in at this. Yes, you. Run come listen to this. Dwayne call Suzette and 13 and have both of them online. Him admit say him love Mixup and him say Uno love Mixup too. Dwayne not easy at all. You have to listen for yourself, master.
I'm a cut it out. Listen, me love Mixup. I wanna love Mixup too. When if you talk about it, I don't love Mixup. To backside. Do you know what outside looks like? You're damn right I know what outside looks like. I just come from outside, Lex, whatever your name is. You're damn right. I can look out my window now and I can see outside, Lex, whatever your name is. Madame or Monsieur, I don't know. Whatever you are. Me never come talk to Mixup last night. Me just come say, listen, honestly, I see people pushing off what them want for me. On don't push it for me. If you don't like it, then don't come from my page. If you don't like it, then come off. Mm-hmm. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. If you don't want to hear the Mixup, what my page name? Ask yourself what my page name. What is the name of